If you are looking for a new ultrasonic scaler, then watch this video till the end to make the right choice. Hi, I'm Alyssa from Dent Supplier channel, and today I'm going to tell you about a device for comfortable scaling, U6 Ultrasonic Scaler by Woodpecker. The device is available in white color and the package includes following items: main unit, detachable handpiece, adapter, foot switch, scaling tips, torque wrench, endo wrench, water pipe, waterproof O-ring, and LED lamp. You can use this device for supragingival, subgingival scaling, for implant maintenance, root canal treatment, and cavity preparation. It has tip amplitude from 20 to 90 microns, meaning that it will not hurt teeth and will bring patients comfortable experience during scaling treatment, and its intelligent feedback will automatically adjust the power level. The water pressure for this scaler is starting from 0.01 to 0.5 megapascals. And now let's see how we can install this device and prepare it for work. Here you can see a quick explanation for each button and connection on the device. Here is short instruction how to install the handpiece. And here is an explanation on how to add a tip using a wrench. Insert the plug of the foot switch to the socket. Connect one end of the water pipe to the water entrance and the other end to the clean water source. Turn on the power switch. Under normal working condition, the frequency of the tips is very high. Step on the foot switch and the tip will start to vibrate, and the LED lamp on the top of the handpiece will light as well. If you release the foot switch, the LED lamp will keep the light for 10 seconds. After finishing operation, keep the machine working for 30 seconds with the water supply to clean the handpiece and the tip. And now let's talk about maintenance and care of the U6. The cleaning should be performed no later than 24 hours after the operation, and disinfection must be performed no later than 2 hours after the cleaning phase. The products have been designed for a large number of sterilization cycles. The materials used in manufacture were selected accordingly. However, with every renewed preparation for use, thermal and chemical stresses will result in aging of the products. So the maximum number of sterilizations for handpiece is 600 times, for tips it's 300 times, and for wrench it is 1000 times. And the more detailed information you'll find in user manual. Compared with other similar devices, U6 offers a high-quality handpiece that can be autoclaved and high temperature, and its latest handpiece sealing techniques brings durability. As well, its smart touch system and waterproof design allows you to easily switch modes and adjust power level in the control panel, which means if you're wearing gloves and have some water drop on the screen, it will not affect the use. So overall, the Woodpecker U6 Ultrasonic Scaler provides a comfortable scaling experience with a low tip amplitude that automatically adjusts the power. It's versatile for various dental treatments, features a durable, autoclavable handpiece, and includes comprehensive accessories for immediate use. So if you're interested in purchasing U6 or have any questions, make sure to visit our website at dentsupplier.eu. See the link to the website below. As well, all the products we have are usually in stock, which means you don't have to wait for weeks. When order is made, we usually ship it out on the same or the next working day.